Hi all, welcome to SHS Tech Solutions. Today's topic is how to use NVM. So why we need to use NVM? So what are the advantages we are going to get when you use NVM? Um, and why it is different from the traditional way. So these are the topics we are going to discuss today. So before going to the topic, if you are not subscribed yet, please do consider subscribe. Yeah, let's jump into the topic. So So now I am presenting my screen. So here if you see currently if I press node version, there is no node version in my local machine. And if there is no need, no node means there will be no NPM also. And there will be no NVM also. So first of all, what is NVM? So NVM is node version manager. Suppose in the name itself, it was showing like so if you want to use multiple nodes, so let's say the current node version is 12.18.1, and if you want to still want to use the old one, suppose if you want to use the old one like 11, or if you want to still use the old one like 8, so the switch between the two different nodes will be difficult. So here comes the solution. So when you have NVM, so just like a second, you can switch between the multiple nodes. So you can have one you can use the latest version, or if you want to downgrade the node, you can use the old version also. So that's the advantage you are getting. So one thing like when it will be useful, or when it will be the case to use a multiple nodes. Suppose uh, if you have a older project, if you have a older project that is using some node version is 6 or 7, so and you are also working on a latest node project, so the switch between the two nodes will be different, so that will be difficult for you. To do this in a easy mode, you can use NVM. So first of all, as you see in my local machine, there is no node at all. So previously I have node, I deleted it, um, because I want to install this NVM and I want to show it here on the live. So here previously I have Node.js and which is occupying a 57 MB. So now uh, I'm installing NVM. S- It was a live installation. It will take a moment. So I was just installing right now. Here I'm accepting it. Yeah, in a few clicks it is installed. That's it. It was finished. So uh, now again I'm pressing the same things. There is no node. N- Not right now. There will be no NPM also. Okay. Now let's check for NVM. Okay. Here the command prompt is not yet closed. One second. Yeah. This one. Okay. Let's again press NVM. Yeah. Here is the one. So if you are installed the NVM, the this kind of stuff you will get when you press the command NVM. So now, so what are the commands it was showing? So here it is showing like NVM list. So if you press NVM list, so there is no installation of node, not yet. Now I will do the installation of node in front of you. Just hold for a second. Okay. Suppose if you want to install the latest version, this was the LTS version. So the node, the NVM will have access to all the LTS versions. So that means node NVM, okay, NVM install. So which version? Like the current version is 12.18.1. Okay, 12.18.1. Okay, I want to install this, the latest version. Okay, it will take a moment. Just hold with me. Okay. If you see, this was is downloading the Node.js. So previously in traditional way, we are directly installing the Node.js and that is occupied a 57 MB. Yeah, now we will see what is happening. Okay, if you see again, so here I installed NVM that is occupied a 6 MB. So how much? Almost 50 MB of space is uh, benefit for me. So now it is taking yeah, done. So if you see, so if I run the command, okay, so it is showing like NVM use 12.18.1. So even though the Node.js is installed, so you need to use this command. So NVM use 12.18.1. So what if we don't run this command? If we don't run this command, the Node.js will be here. Why we are using NVM? We want to use a multiple nodes. So in the multiple nodes means, but at a time only one version of node will be executed. So that means we need to specify which version of the node you want to use. So either you want to use the 6th version, or you want to use the latest version, or you want to use some specified XXXX version. Okay, here now I am pressing this node version node-v. Here I am getting 12.18.1. Again npm-v, if I press, I'm getting 6.14.5. If you observe here, so for the node 12.18.1, 16.14.5. So this is the npm version that is associated with this node.js. Suppose I want to use, suppose, node 9. Let's say nvm install which version? Suppose 9.8.0. Okay, 9.8.0. So this is not at specified to 9.8.0. Whatever the version you want to use, you can specify that number. So if you want to use some 6 version, so you need to just specify nvm install that specific version. So for the demo purpose, I install the latest one, and I am installing the some old version like 9.8.0. So now for 9.8.0, so this is the npm that is associated 5.6.0. Let's check that one. So 9.8.0, here 5.6.0 is the associated one. Okay, it is taking a moment. Just hold up with me. So here already we installed one version, that is 12.18.1. So that is the latest version. So LTS means long-term support. So that is the version. So that was currently recommended for every user. So this is the version we specified here. So after that 9.8.0 is the version we specified. Currently we are installing 9.8.0. So when you want to use multiple nodes, like one project is with the old one project is the new one, so you can switch the nodes with this tool. NVM is the tool you need to use for that purpose. So here the installation is completed. So we have command like list, NVM list. So this will list the all the downloaded nodes. So here I downloaded two nodes, two node versions I can say. So here I installed 9.8.0 and install the latest version. Suppose you want to switch back to the old version. So what I need to say, nvm use 9.8.0 is the command you need to use. So here it is showing like now using node version 9.8.0. Now if you press this node-v, so 9.8.0 is the version. and this one is the NPM version that is associated with this one. So the switching command is NVM. Which one you want to use? If you want to switch back to latest version, yeah, here, yeah, that's it. With a single command, you are switching back to whatever the specified version you want. So this is the advantage, the biggest advantage you will get when you use NVM. And there are some more. Okay, so it can access to every LTS. So currently the latest LTS is 12.18.1. You see here, the LTS is 12.18.1. So it can access to every LTS. So that means from the starting onwards, whatever the LTS is specified to the current LTS. So that means the 12.18.1. So it can access to every LTS. Okay, the one more is, so if you want to use a specific node, so that is possible with a single command. So NVM, I want to use 12 version, I want to use 11 version, I want to use some 9x. So with a single command, you are able to use the node and the switching between the two ones. So there will be uh, there is no need of uninstallation, or there is no need of any other thing. You can directly switch back to the older version, or you can directly switch back to the new version. So that is possible with the single command. So that is the best advantage you are getting when you use NVM. So so this is the stuff for this video. So if you have any questions or if anything related to the topic we discussed now, so just post a comment. Thank you for watching the video.